If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Robinhood, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed before it completes. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transactions. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. Step 3. Access your transactions. Scroll down to find the History or Transactions section. This area displays all your recent trades and pending transactions. Step 4. Locate the pending transaction. Look for the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are typically marked clearly, so they should be easy to identify. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction to open its details. If the option to cancel is available, select Cancel and confirm your choice. This will stop the transaction from completing. Once you have followed these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your pending transaction has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.